Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can turn or edit your photo into a wide angle view using Cap Cut. So here I've already imported a photo to Cap Cut. You can actually just add any photo that you want. So I'm going to add this photo, use this photo. So what you need to do is just click on the photo and go to style. And under the trending here, you'll easily find the autofill. So you can just choose between the autofill 1 or 2. I'm going to use this autofill one first. Now wait for it to generate. You can see now the photo will become a wide angle like this. So this is the autofill one, but if you want to use the autofill 2, you can try it also like this. So you can just choose which one you like more. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks button. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.